What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the fluid in the rear differential on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So you want to raise the vehicle and make sure the vehicle is level, and also put a drain bucket underneath the differential for any fluid that comes out. To pull the fill plug out, it's right here on the back of the cover. You're going to use a 3/8 extension and a ratchet to take this out. A lot of times there's dirt in here, so take a pocket screwdriver, just get any of the dirt out. That's good. Now install that and twist it counterclockwise. Pull the fill plug out. And sometimes you'll have some fluid draining out of this, but we don't have any. And there's a little bit of metal on the backside. This vehicle has 135,000 miles on it, which for that, this metal looks about normal. So I can wipe that off with a rag. So to check the level, I'm actually gonna take a wire tie. I'm just gonna bend this. You can try to look inside there and see if the fluid's right up to the top or up to the bottom of the fill hole. And I'll just take the wire tie, stick it in there, and then it's like a little dipstick. So the level looks like it's right about there. So I'll have to add a little bit of fluid. All right, so we're gonna top off our fluid. Make sure you use the appropriate fluid. You should be able to check that in your owner's manual. And once it starts coming out, and it's full, I'm just gonna hold this for a second, let it disperse a little bit. There's some little hidden passages and stuff, so if I hold this closed, the fluid level's a little bit above there. I can let it drain out. I'll just let that drain for a little bit. I want it level with the bottom of the hole. Now I'm going to install the fill plug. Now this fill plug has a seal in the back, so I don't have to put anything on here. But if it didn't have a seal, you could put a little pipe sealer on there to help seal it up. I'll take the extension and the ratchet. I'll just snug this up. And that's good. After that's done, we're just going to take some brake parts cleaner and clean this off. Going to take a rag, wipe off the excess.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.